Three little birds are usually right here, and
prime real estate.
I'm here, but that's not what's so special. What's special is that they actually bought me this keyboard, gave it to me. Yamaha, I'm gonna be playing. It's a beautiful keyboard. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you so much. I've got my mic stand. I've got everything set up here. I can't believe it. We actually have people here. This is crazy. This is unbelievable. This guy is actually the singer. This guy is a singer.
Yeah, come on, man.
No, my wife and I are here on a sailboat.
Good for you!
And the three little birds who sing here bought me this keyboard and told me to come out here and sing. And he's now playing. Thank you, three little birds. Thank you very much. Look at our audience. Look at them. They're here because you're not here. And I have these people come by and I let them play.
I don't know the chord. I saw you play one. You play piano.
You want me to rap guy?
What a nice night.
Find some time.
Sorry, I don't have my second microphone. Well, we're going to try to get some money here. We have a new star arrival right here in Waikiki. Thank you.
Fireworks going off on New Year's Day.
Wow. People are putting money in. I can't believe this. Thank you. turned into a karaoke on the street corner. Right over here. We got a saxophone coming. Remember, I only like 10-second shots.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms have fallen, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Who would have thought I'd get you? Who would have thought I'd get you?